I have this star cutout. It came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hanger from the top and find the center of the star. I'm then going to draw a straight line from the center to the corner of one of the points and then repeat the same thing on the right side. I'm going to grab a piece of computer paper. You can use tracing paper, but the computer paper worked just fine. I'm going to lay my star on top of the paper and trace just one of the points, and then I'm going to lay the paper on top of the star to find that point, and then I'm going to use my straight edge to create the same shape. And I'm going to use my paper as a template. I want just the shape from the center of the star to one of the points on the star. Once I have the template, I'm going to pick 5 different patterns since we have 5 points on the star. I got this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, but you can just use individual pieces of scrapbook paper that you can find in the scrapbook section. But again, this is a booklet of a variety of different ones, and I just picked 5 from there. I'm then going to take the template and I'm going to trace it onto the back side of the scrapbook paper. Once I have it traced, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut that out. And I repeated this exact thing on all of the pieces of scrapbook paper. So again, I took my template that we created, traced it on the scrapbook paper, and then cut it out until I had 5 of that same shape. I'm going to decoupage each piece of scrapbook paper onto the wood star. I'm using Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. You can certainly use Mod Podge if that's what you prefer. I'm going to lay the scrapbook paper right on top of the 1-hour enamel clear while it's still wet. And I'm going to go around and do each point of the star and lay down a different pattern of the scrapbook paper. And I did this until the entire thing was covered. This was just a very easy way to dress up the Dollar Tree star just by using different pieces of scrapbook paper. I'm then going to just glue down some greenery in the center. I believe this piece came from Walmart in a pack of 2. I have this little angel ornament that I'm going to then also glue on top of the greenery to cover the stem a little bit. I have a tag. I'm going to use the back side. I'm going to glue it under the angel's wing. So just a little bit of it is hanging out. And I have these really tiny wood letters. I got these off Amazon. I'm going to use super glue, and I'm just dipping the letter into the super glue, and then I'm placing it down onto the tag. These are still unfinished. I did not paint them yet. And I spell out, "Oh Holy Night." And then I took my white paint marker and just painted on top of them. And I love the simplicity of this craft. I really hope you enjoyed it as well. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.